Magandang araw ulit sa inyo mga ka-Battlecock. Ako nga pala si Jan San Juan para sa Battlecock Product. Lagi ka lamang. Ngayong araw na to ay nandito po tayo kay Tarobio Game Farm. Dito sa Barangay 4, Indang, Cavite. So, ayan po mga manok nila. Ayun. At makakasama natin po si Sir Jassy. Siya po ang namamahala ngayon dito sa mga manok. Hello boss, kamusta po?
Okay lang.
Ayun, so nagbigay po tayo ng sample na gamot para sa mga alaga at para ma-try po nila. At babalik na lang po tayo para sa hingihan po natin sila ng testimonial para sa ating mga alaga. Yun lang at maraming salamat muli. Ako si Jan San Juan para sa Battlecock Product. Lagi ka lang. Salamat po.
Be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can stop the guy go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you can find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. Yeah. Straight through hell with a smile. You could be the hero, you can get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke. Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. You're never gonna know if you never even try. Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day when you're sitting in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you're proud of the first flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions.